Hi guys, how are you all doing? So today I'm gonna share a new makeup tutorial which is actually inspired by Meera Sakhrani, and she's a very well-known artist. So now let's get started. I'll start by using the Curve Brow from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 3.5, and I'll first draw my eyebrows. I'll do the outline of my eyebrows and then I'll fill it in. Also, I do not have some hair on this part of my eyebrows, and I'll be extending my eyebrows also because my eyebrows are very uneven. Let me tell you guys that I actually lost the videos because my SD card got corrupted and I had no hope that I'll be posting the video or not. Somehow I finally fixed it, and thank you to those who actually tried to help me out. And yes, I'm so sorry for being late. And yeah, your girl is genius too. To give a clean look to my eyebrows, I'm using a concealer and I'm dabbing it with the help of the beauty blender. Guys, since few months I have not even gotten my eyebrows done. Next, I'll be priming my face with the help of Huda Beauty primer in matte. I'm gonna apply it all over my face, from my cheeks, from my forehead, from my chin, everywhere. So it decreases the amount of pores which are visible. Now I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Pro Conceal and Correcting Palette under my eyes in all the pigmented areas wherever I feel like. Though I do not have dark circles, but I have hollow eyes because of the loss of muscles, and it's completely natural. Some people think it's just because of not eating vegetables, but it's completely natural. I have used this orange shade and I'll be blending it with the help of a beauty blender. For my base, I'll be using Huda Beauty's foundation, the shade Custard, and I'll be using a flat brush to put it all over my face, as this foundation is very matte. It's too matte that it will not actually blend properly, and it's full coverage foundation. So I'll be putting all over my face because I don't want to have patches. I'm gonna spray some Smashbox primer on my face so the base becomes a little soft and I can easily blend it. If you guys do not want full coverage, you can also mix a facial oil with this foundation and apply it on your face. It will give you a very smooth base then. I'm again gonna use this Pro Conceal and Correct palette from MAC Cosmetics under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead, just next to the hairline and the nose, so that I get a perfectly snatched face. Guys, the brushes that I'm using on my face are from Real Techniques and they are available at a very good price on Nykaa. You guys can check them out. Best way to contour your cheekbones is to do a pout and then blend it with the brush. Now let's get started with the eyes. For that, I'm gonna use the new nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use the shade Raw, which is a brown shade, on my creases. So guys, make sure that you're very slow on your eyes because that is the actual pro tip which anybody can give you. Otherwise, you will end up messing with your eyes and you do not want that. So you have to be very slow. I'm going to use the shade Spang, which is a mauve shade, to give a depth to my eyeshadow. And guys, I'm using it in the same motion. You have to be very slow. Very slow, guys. Because it will give a smooth and soft finish later on. I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow on my inner lids and I'm not gonna take more product. Now I'm gonna use the Jet Set Kajal from My Glam on my upper lash line, and you do not have to be precise with it because later you have to blend this part. I will blend the kajal with the help of an eyeliner brush. Then I will take the shade Raw and I'll blend it on my upper lash line with the help of a flat brush. I'm putting the shade Kinky on my eyelids and I'm using my finger to do that. It doesn't matter if the products actually get onto your smudged eyeliner because you have to do it again. I'm using a fluffy brush to blend the shadow all together. I will again take some kajal and put it on my upper lash line. I'll take the shade Draw and I'll put it on my lower lash line and I'll blend it properly with a fluffy small brush. To give a smoky look to my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the shade Love Bite and I'll blend it thoroughly. Guys, as one of the clips is missing, so let me tell you that I used a kajal on my lower waterline. Now I'm gonna use the shade Charmed on my inner corners. I am using the Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand to conceal and highlight my areas. I'll blend it with the help of a beauty blender and I'll be very quick because it dries up very quickly. I'm going to use a mascara on my lower and upper eyelashes. I'll use this NYX Cosmetics red lipstick in the form of blush on my cheeks and I'll smile and I'll just dab it on my cheeks and I'll blend it with the beauty blender. Use these hoodie lashes from Huda Beauty and I'll put an eyeliner on the eyelashes, not on my lids but on the eyelashes. For highlighting, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette and I'm using my favorite shade called Pink Heart. Okay, so while doing the highlighting near the areas of my eye, I actually had a fallout and the product fell on my eyelashes and they end up looking really bad. Though they're not that prominent in the video, but they are actually. The last step of the tutorial, and I'm using my lipstick from Too Faced in the shade Sellout. This is a very nice nude pink shade which you can use it every time, anywhere. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this look and I hope Meera Sakrani checks this video out and definitely likes it. So guys, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss the future notification. Sorry. So yes, until the next time guys, bye bye, see you.